Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a very cool drone style orb ball, this video is for you. So it's pretty cool. Fits in the palm of your hand. This one just happens to be blue, sort of a metallic blue in color. It does come with an extra set of blue props, black props, a little tool to pull out the battery, and you have two batteries, and then it has its own charger, and when it's plugged in, it's either going to be red or green, letting the user know if the battery is charged. Pretty cool. These batteries go in a certain way. It slides in like this, and then clips in place. When it's activated, there are LEDs on one side and then on the other. That kind of helps putting it into whatever mode that you're trying to put it into. First thing that's cool about this is that you turn it on and then you turn it over, and then it's gonna be flashing fast, and then it goes into this kind of different mode. That will allow you to go into a couple different flying modes, where one, you throw it or kind of lob it, and then it kind of goes off and then comes right back to you. It's pretty cool. Another mode is where it will fly sort of in a circle, either exactly around where you were when you let it go. Another mode will be if you hold it on the sides, there are these things that allow it to spin. So when you tap it, it's going to spin slowly. It's going to pick up speed. And then a third speed. Really, really cool. And it's not like it's going to fly out of the user's hand, because the actual ends here are not spinning just the actual ball. And having a couple different batteries, two batteries, these will fly, I'd say non-stop if you're playing with this, probably about 15 minutes. And then before you're going to want to put it back on the charger. And then to take the battery out, super, super easy. Use a little clip. Just push a little bit, snaps out of place, pull it out, put the new battery in, and you're good to go. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, give us an honest review about our LED orb. This thing is pretty fun. Easy to use, can be used indoor and outdoor. Hopefully this answered all of your questions, and we'll talk to you soon.